Hello, welcome back to the channel. My name is Kim and this is our Bountiful Kitchen. Today I'm making one of our favorite dishes. It's kind of a Tex Mex skillet, so let's get into it. I'm starting out with 1 pound of hamburger meat. I'm using an 85-15 ground chuck. I just want to get it brown so it's cooked. In my pot here, I have a pot of water boiling. And what I'm going to do is once it starts boiling, I'm going to add my rice. I want the meat to brown. Can have a little bit of pink in there because it's still going to cook after we add all the ingredients. I have a pot of boiling water, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in 1 cup of rice. Now I don't have instant rice. That would be nice, but I don't. I have long grain, 20-minute cooking rice. I do not add salt or butter or anything to the rice. It's just rice and water. And it's on, currently it's on high. I'm going to turn it down to a medium. And I'm just going to let this cook low and slow. Okay, I'm going to turn off the heat. And this is what we want. We want it just to where it is starting to get a nice brown, and we still have just a little bit of pink. Move this off the burner. Stir our rice. Okay, while our rice is still cooking, I need to get the other ingredients going. So what I'm going to do is I'm using a can of black beans. I'm using a can of Great Northerns, and I want to rinse these off. Okay, now let them drain for a few minutes. I'm using a paste chunky medium salsa. I have 2 jars just in case I need more. Okay, our rice is done, so what I need to do is I need to take it over, and I like to rinse my rice. We're now going to add this rice into the mixture. Now I'm adding about a 1/2 cup of jalapeno slices. Now it's starting to bubble, it's starting to look really good. Oh, it smells really fantastic. To this dish I'm adding 1 cup of black whole olives. You'll notice they're hollow. You can use sliced, I just prefer the whole olive. Into our skillet here we're adding about a cup of cheese. You can be as generous with the cheese as you like. I'm using a Colby Jack mixture, and all you do is wait for the cheese to melt and you're done. And there you have it. A quick, easy, very fast skillet meal. You can make this meal in under 20 minutes from start to finish. And there you go, Tex Mex Skillet. The fastest skillet you'll make. 20 minutes or less. I hope you enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Give us a thumbs up if you like the video. Alright, see you next time. Bye!